Hey guys, alright, so today your assignment is going to still be in Go Formative like it has been. All of the problems are multiple choice. The difference though is that you're not going to see the green dots up above. So normally, like there's 8 problems and you would see 8 green dots and you know you did them all right. It's not going to be like that this time. I've caught on to some kids who they'll click A and it's red, so then they'll click B, it's still red, and then they'll click C and it's green and they'll move on without even really knowing why C is the right answer. So what's going to happen is you won't have any dots. I think you'll have dots, but they won't turn red or green. And then you're going to submit your assignment, and then that gives me a red flag that I need to go and check your assignment. So I will be hand checking every single one of your assignments today. And I will be logged in and trying to do that in real time as much as I can. And then what's going to happen is once I grade it or once I take a look at it, I'm going to put your grade in Google Classroom and return it. I think there's 8 problems. So if you get an 8 out of 8, that's your indication that you got them all right. If you get like a 6 out of 8, that's your other indication that you need to go back and you need to fix the ones you got wrong. And I'll either specify or it will specify, I can't remember how it works, but in some way you will know which ones are wrong. It just won't be the like satisfaction of getting the little green dots today. I'm sorry. So if there's any questions, let me know. But I've loved having you guys pop into these Google Meets that we've been having. We've been doing all sorts of live teaching. I've basically just been teaching the lesson to everybody. So if you want to pop in and just have me teach you how to do it instead of watching the video, come on in at 8:30. And I hope to see you there. Have a good one, guys.